Hello again, Beyblade fans. So here's the God customized set B-98 B-98 God customized set. So yeah, it contains Rain Fafnir, Arc Bahamut, Deep Chaos, Tornado Wyvern. It also has the 7 disc, 2 disc, 4 disc, and 1 disc. Then it has Star, Bump, Flow, Meteor. And then this is Zephyr, Atomic, Bearing, and Spiral. Yeah. So I'll be opening this. Maybe I should open it here to preserve the box. The box is kind of big. Yeah, this is my Overwatch extended mousepad, and it covers half of it. So yeah. Okay. So let me check. So here's the box. And here's, I think, the instructions. Here's the Beyblades. And I think, the code is behind the sticker. So yeah, this is the God customized set. So let's first assemble Drain Fafnir. Oh no, it's really hard to pull. Yeah, Drain Fafnir, 7 Star, Zephyr. Oh, I forgot. It also has the God chip tool. So buying this set is you have 4 Beyblades, all with different competitive combos, and you have 2 metal God chip and this really good looking God chip tool, something. Yeah, it helps remove the God chip from Beyblade, and it also serves as a case for them. So yeah, let's put this back. Yeah. So this is how you assemble it. Drain Fafnir is awesome looking. Yeah. Next is Tornado Wyvern 1. Oh no, too hard. Pull this first. Spiral, and then 1. 1 is really hard to pull out. Yeah, I think that's it. So yeah, Tornado Wyvern, 1, Meteor, and Spiral. Yeah. Then next, I think I want to do Arc Bahamut first. 2 Bump and the OP Atomic. So this driver is OP, and also this Bump is the heaviest frame available. So I don't know what it does in competitive, but let me try. I think so. Yeah. So Arc Bahamut is a left spin bay. Oh, it has bad teeth. I think it. What? It has the same teeth as. Let me show you, as Cartoon Kirby's. But you know, this calls for a mode gadget. Yeah. I hope it can solve Arc Bahamut's problem. So yeah. This cool bay. It's a really cool bay. The next is my favorite in this set. Bearing driver. Let's take out throw it. Yeah, bearing driver. And I hope so. Yeah, I think this is good. Okay, Deep Chaos 4 flow bearing. So here are the base. Drain Fafnir, Tornado Wyvern, Arc Bahamut, and then Deep Chaos. So yeah, here they are. I hope you guys enjoyed the vid of my unboxing vid. So I'll make a battle vid of these guys maybe later. I don't know. I'm really excited. So yeah, I think that's it for now. And then hope you subscribe and like the vid. So if I get 100 subscribers, I think I can do a giveaway. Even if it's international, I don't care. I'll give you guys what you win. So yeah, like, subscribe, and share if you want to share my vid. Yeah, thanks guys.